Chris, our son, was sitting in this room right here. Margaret and I were upstairs. He started toward the stairs and then just hollered, said, "Dad, we got a fire. We're got a fire here." And so I got up from the upstairs coming down here thinking it was to see flames. Well, when I got to the steps right here, I looked, I couldn't even see the TV set. There was so much smoke. The smoke was everywhere. And then I grabbed a cell phone, ran through the garage, got to the driveway, looked up, and it looked like a volcano. Just sparks and flames coming out of the chimney and smoke. And I talked to a guy in our church, and he said Spangler had done some stuff for him, and they got here around 10 o'clock, and they started scrubbing and cleaning, and then they put a deal in our house that sucked a lot of the smoke smell out. The smell in the attic, you got to get rid of that. Well, they took all the insulation out of the old insulation out. They were flexible with us. When something like that happens, you're not prepared for it. You haven't even thought about what you're going to do. They did an awesome job. I mean, it was black from about where those spurs are all the way to the bust of Coach Robinson, or where that axe is. It was all black across the top. And I'm telling you, you can't even tell it. That was solid black like plastic where that stuff had covered the chimney. And they were very meticulous about cleaning it and taking care of it and making it where it would look like it does right now. When you start talking about the quality of the work, I think you better start with the quality of people. That's important, that you get the right people, not just get somebody, get the right people. And Sandy was that way. He walked through the house with us, and he's the one that noticed the difference in the kitchen and the dining area, the living area. And he said, "Well, we need to get this taken care of." We were pleased, very pleased with the way the ceiling came out. No question. I recommend them wholeheartedly. The finished result was excellent. I'd do the same thing again.